tags help you identify food or beverage sales, or your top-selling item sales, since you can easily filter the dashboard reports using tags. In this video, we'll show you how to identify untagged menu items on your Sapaad POS. We'll also show how to apply tags to them in bulk. Let's begin. On your Sapaad POS, go to Setup, Menu Setup. Click the Upload Menus button. Click the link that says Download all items as a .csv file. This will download a CSV file containing all of your menu items. Open the file and filter through the Tags column. Look for any untagged items. These are your menu items that have missing tags. To apply tags in bulk, you can add the tags for each item directly on the file. Take note that you shouldn't make changes to the menu category or menu item name to prevent duplicate entries. Review to make sure everything is correct, then save the file and go back to the Upload Menu Items page. Click Choose File and select the updated .csv file. Click Upload. Your menu will now be uploaded to the POS and any changes will be reflected. You will be redirected back to Menu Setup. Don't forget to click on Refresh POS and Online Menu to sync and update your changes. And there you have it. You've learned how to view untagged items on your menu and efficiently assign tags to them in bulk. Make sure to check out our next video on categorizing menus and menu items in Sapaad. Want to learn more? Click the link below to book a demo.